Urban survival skills are essential for navigating the challenges of city life. Approximately 82% of the U.S. population lives in urban areas. And worldwide, 72% of people in developed countries around the globe live in urban locations. In urban environments, blending in with the crowd is crucial to avoid drawing unwanted attention. This concept, which is often referred to as the greyman strategy, emphasizes the importance of seamlessly integrating into your surroundings. Whether you're in a bustling city center or a quiet suburban neighborhood, adapting to local fashion norms and cultural cues can help you avoid standing out. To embrace the greyman strategy, consider the following steps. Dress appropriately. Pay attention to the attire commonly worn by locals in the area. If the community tends to favor casual clothing like jeans and t-shirts, avoid dressing in more formal attire that may attract unnecessary attention. And you definitely want to avoid the camo or that Rambo look. Conversely, if the area has a more upscale vibe, dressing too casually might make you stand out. Aim to dress in a manner that reflects the local style without drawing undue attention to yourself. Use neutral colors. Opt for clothing in neutral or muted colors that blend into the urban landscape. Avoid flashy or bright colors that might make you stand out in a crowd. Earth tones, grays, and blues are often good choices for blending in discreetly. Avoid distinctive accessories. Minimize the use of conspicuous accessories or clothing items that could make you easily identifiable. This includes avoiding clothing with prominent logos or branding, as well as any flashy jewelry or accessories that draws attention to yourself. Choose items that are functional and understated. Observe social cues. Pay attention to how locals interact with each other and adjust your behavior accordingly. This includes things like body language, speech patterns, and social etiquette. By mirroring the behavior of those around you, you blend in more effectively and avoid standing out as an outsider. Be mindful of grooming. Maintain a grooming routine that is in line with the local norms. While personal hygiene is important, excessive grooming or unconventional hairstyles may attract unwanted attention. Aim for a neat and tidy appearance that allows you to blend in without drawing unnecessary scrutiny. Carry common items. Consider carrying everyday items that are commonly seen in the area. For example, use a generic backpack or tote bag instead of a designer handbag that can help you avoid drawing attention to yourself. Similarly, carrying a reusable water bottle or smartphone case that is commonly used by locals can contribute to your overall appearance of blending in. Self-defense is also a critical aspect of urban survival. While firearms can be effective tools for protection, they may not always be practical or permitted in urban areas. Or they may draw too much unwanted attention if the goal is to stay quiet. Therefore, having basic self-defense skills is invaluable. Training in martial arts or hand-to-hand combat techniques gives individuals the chance to defend themselves in various situations. So here are some ideas for free or almost free options to learn basic self-defense skills. Community centers and recreational facilities. Many communication centers and recreational facilities offer affordable or even free martial arts and self-defense classes. Local martial arts schools. Some martial arts schools offer discounted or donation-based classes, especially for beginners or those experiencing financial hardship. Inquire with these local martial arts schools about their pricing options and whether they offer any scholarships or sliding scale fees. Online resources. There are numerous online resources available for learning self-defense techniques, including instructional videos, tutorials, and written guides. While online resources may not provide the same level of hands-on instruction as in-person classes, they can still be valuable supplements to your training regimen, especially if attending formal classes isn't feasible. Peer-to-peer learning. Consider organizing a self-defense study group with friends, family members, or neighbors who are interested in learning together. Pooling your resources and sharing knowledge can be an effective way to learn basic self-defense techniques in a supportive and collaborative environment. Library resources. Public libraries often have a wealth of books, DVDs, and other educational materials on martial arts and self-defense. Borrowing these resources can provide valuable insights and instruction at no cost. Practice and consistency. Regardless of the training method or the resources available to you, consistent practice is key to developing proficiency in self-defense techniques. Set aside regular time for practice and review, focusing on mastering fundamental skills and techniques. Additionally, maintaining physical fitness enhances your ability to react quickly and effectively in threatening scenarios. Walking around your neighborhood is a great way to get in some exercise. It also has the benefit of allowing you to become more aware of your surroundings and practicing situational awareness. Situational awareness is vital for navigating urban environments safely. Being mindful of your surroundings and identifying potential threats can help you avoid dangerous situations. Familiarizing yourself with the area and planning alternative routes can further enhance your safety and security. Effective communication skills are also essential for de-escalating confrontations and resolving conflicts peacefully. Physical confrontation should always be your last resort, not your first. In addition to physical preparedness, mental preparedness is crucial for urban survival. Anticipating potential challenges and developing strategies to overcome them can help you stay calm and composed in stressful situations. This is a part of urban survival that is most often overlooked. Visualize scenarios. Practice mental drills as you walk your neighborhood or commute to work. Visualize potential disaster scenarios that are realistic to your environment, like a grid down situation, natural disaster, or civil unrest. Consider how you would respond to each scenario and what actions you would take to ensure your survival. Develop response plans. Once you've identified potential disaster scenarios, develop response plans for each situation. Determine primary and alternative routes for escape or evacuation. Identify safe locations to seek shelter or rendezvous with family members or friends. And outline steps to secure essential resources like food, water, and medical supplies. Having a well-thought-out plan with contingency or backup options thoroughly considered can help you react quickly and decisively in emergencies. Navigating through urban environments requires adaptability and resourcefulness. Knowing how to avoid trouble spots and having contingency plans in place can enhance your ability to navigate safely. Scavenging skills may become valuable in survival situations, allowing you to acquire essential resources when conventional means are unavailable. Ultimately, urban survival is about being proactive and prepared for unforeseen circumstances. By honing essential skills and cultivating a mindset of readiness, you can increase your resilience and ability to overcome challenges in any urban setting. Okay, you know I want to hear from you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And please check out this YouTube video that has been chosen for you to watch next based on your watch history.